The Delippo, Delippo, power adapter for Dell laptops. Here's my unboxing video. I'm not sure how you pronounce Delippo. Anyway, the reviews seem pretty good, although the product photos, of course, are all, photoshopped to perfection. So I tried to find more information online, couldn't really find any videos, so here's one for anybody considering this in the future. Let's have a look here. Oh, sorry about that. Try not to make this too shaky for you. There's the box. It's actually pretty professional. They've got a Asian phone number there, delippo.com. Looks like a European phone number. There's the barcode, X0017EH8Z or Z, depending where you are, 9. Made in China. The box is well made and color printed. Better than I expected. I was expecting a brown box. Quality control passed. Handle with care. Okay. Let's slice her open. Well, inside the box, no cardboard dividers. It's funny, they went all out on the exterior of the box, but the interior of the box appears to be for a generic, any adapter. Let's have a look at this. The power cord. Get the box out of the way. Oh, look at this. A bunch of paperwork. That's what we got here. Dear valued customers, thanks for choosing our store. We hope you could love our products and are satisfied with our service. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Thank you card. Check this out. Delippo. Rest easy and enjoy a simple life. Warranty card. 12-month warranty. Friendly and easy to reach support. Timely response. That's pretty nice. All right, so 12-month warranty. Let's look at this. Instructions. Plug it into the wall and plug it into your laptop. All right, good. So I got this in a little bubble bag, and it's packaged pretty much the way the adapter would be for the factory. We got a twist tie here. The one thing I like about videos is to sort of help with the feel of the quality, and this is, this is definitely a top quality power cord, the AC cord. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels like any standard North American cord. Of course, they sent me the right one, good, with a North American plug, and the three-prong adapter for the three-prong plug for the adapter. All right, we got a little integrated Velcro tie. Look at that. And that's also, this cord feels really substantial, nicer than I think the one that came with the Dell originally. And the adapter itself, it's actually smaller than I expected. I was expecting something about twice the size. Let me grab a measuring tape here to put some perspective on it for you. So it's 5.5 inches, 2.5, 1.25. Sorry. 1.25, 2.5, 5.5. Wasn't sure if I had that on camera. So let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, maybe I should plug it into the power and into a laptop and see what happens. Okay, got the old Dell out. The adapter here. Oh, geez, what a mess. Sorry, guys. Let's get this a little untangled here. Should have probably done that part off camera, but anyway, there we go. This is real world. Got my extension cord here. I'm going to plug that in. Okay, do we have a light? That's a question. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Nice little blue light indicating we got power. Cords are all tangled. Okay, let's plug this in here. Light remains blue. Let's open up the laptop. I was using a temporarily a smaller adapter. I was using this one, which is underrated for the laptop, but just to power it up to make sure it worked. And every time I powered it up, the BIOS popped up with a power supply issue screen. So that'll be my final check for this video, because it's just an adapter. It's not so complicated. Move my little lights out of the way. Okay, let's power on and see what happens. All I'm really looking for at this point is the lack of a warning message about power supply. So far, so good. Yep, good to go. There you have it. There's the Delippo, D-E-L-I-P-P-O. If somebody has a phonetical explanation of that, for that name, that'd be great if you could explain it to me in the comments below. And I hope this helps you make a decision. I guess overall, I would say, oh, look at that. Delippo. Didn't show you the back. AC adapter, some Chinese writing, model B01195067. It's a nice label, actually. And center positive, input 110 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 1.46 amps. Output 19.5 volts, 6.7 amps. Yep, that's what this requires. Anyway, overall, I would say that since this adapter is was $40 Canadian, shipping included, next day delivery off of Amazon, I would say I'm impressed with the quality. It feels solid. I believe it's smaller than the original Dell. I didn't see the one that came with this one, but I've seen Dell laptops and Dell laptop adapters for larger laptops, and they feel my memory serves that they are twice the size of this. So I like it, and maybe in a few months I will post an update video, but that will probably only be likely if it fails, because if you don't hear from me, then no news is good news. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you can. I know my videos are all over the place, but I think they're all interesting, and I do my best to support the community and provide information where I can, because I definitely take advantage of what people post on YouTube. Have a great day.